You won't believe what Mom's gonna make us do.
What, she make you pee on the compost pile again?
No, it's worse.
Did she bring animals home on the back of the Suburban?
It's much worse.
What could be worse than that?
She's giving us weeds for dinner. I just saw her with a massive pile of stinging nettle out on the trampoline.
Not again.
The inspiration for today's video comes from Mel's Kitchen Cafe. Although her recipe is for zucchini cornbread, stingy nettle easily swaps in. Thanks, Mel, for the great recipe idea.
We're going to start with a ½ cup cornmeal, 1½ cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and we're going to let that soak for a couple hours. The longer, the better. After that time, we'll turn on our oven to 350 Fahrenheit and melt the butter. Now we'll add in 2 eggs, our ½ cup of butter, and stir all the wet ingredients. Next comes the dry ingredients. We've got 1½ cups of flour, 1/3 cup sugar, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and our ½ cup of dried stingy nettle. These are nettles I picked this spring and then dehydrated them. Mix all your dry ingredients together and then pour in the wet ingredients. I think this cornbread is softer if you add just a dollop of sour cream. Pour your batter into a greased pan. That's important. If you use glassware, then bake it for 30 to 32 minutes. If you use a beautiful crock of some kind, then bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Ta-da! Oh, it's pretty. But the question is it yummy?
That's really good.
Does the stinging nettle make it yucky? No? Right on.